Today is the day that everything changes.
Fate rarely calls upon us at a moment.
I have been searching all over the world for you.
You are the last of your kind. All that remains of a once powerful nation. You are not just a man.
And who the hell am I?
Now the time has come for you to prove.
Release the Kraken!
Are you gonna be good to me? So what happens now?
We're gonna change the lives of millions.
Do you think I'm a hero?
I still believe in heroes.
Heroes. There is no such thing.
Well, you got one now.
You would have been begging for a bullet before it's over.
What is this?
This is Sparta! Are you ready, my brother? Stand there!
There's always someone more powerful than you.
Can you do that again, please?
Simon, close your eyes.
Remember me.
I've seen enough blood and death. I know what's coming.
You think you're safe. You are not.
We stand and we fight.
It's a price I shall gladly pay. Get on. This isn't a good. This is a new war.
There is still hope.
Come on. It's time.
Just you and me.
You will not kill me.
Today we are canceling the apocalypse. What are you waiting for? Show yourself!
I remember that day.
We're going to stay on the air for as long as possible.
Is everything okay?
I'm sorry, sir, but you need to get back to your car.
Anybody hurt?
A couple of injuries, but nothing serious.
We talk about the end of humanity.